Hello my brilliant home buyers and sellers, this is Frayal, your real estate agent. In today's video, I am going to tackle a very important question that many home buyers worry about, which is, what if I miss my mortgage payments? Now, I know that missing your mortgage payments is a very stressful situation. However, as a homeowner, it's important for you to understand what are the consequences and what are your options out there. Now, before I move forward, I do want to let you know that this video is not any legal advice. I am just here to give you an overall picture of what happens, how it happens, and what are your options. If you do find yourself in that situation, I highly recommend for you to contact your lender, your mortgage broker, whoever you're dealing with, and your lawyer to have a deep understanding of the process because it is a very complex situation. That being said, let's get right into it. Number one, first thing first, you do have something called a grace period. Typically, a lender will give you a short time frame, anywhere between 10 to 15 days to make your payment without incurring any late fees. So it is important to check your mortgage agreement because it can depend on what agreement you have, how long this grace period will be for you. Number two is late fees and credit impact. Once you miss the grace period and you still haven't made your payment, then you will have to pay late fees on top of the missing payment, which can be a significant amount. Again, it all depends on your lender. So you will have to check your mortgage agreement to see how much of your late fees will be. Additionally, a missed payment can impact your credit score. Usually, if you haven't made the payments after your due date for 30 days, the lender will contact the credit bureau, and this can lower your credit score, which will make it a lot harder for you to get any favorable terms on your future loans. Number three is lender contact and options. Now, after you have missed your payment, the lender will typically contact you. They will either send you a letter or they will send you an email or a phone call to notify you that you have now missed your payments and what your options will look like. Now, it is very important that you do communicate with your lender and not ignore these communications, because ignoring these communications will result in severe consequences. Now, let's talk about the long-term consequences. Missing multiple payments can escalate the situation significantly. The lender may go ahead and sell your home under the power of sale if your mortgage has been in default for more than 15 days or if you have missed your payments 3 times in a row. Again, it depends on your agreement that you have. The lender can send you a notice with the intent of selling your home under power of sale. So what is a power of sale? Power of sale is a legal process where the lender attempts to recover the loan amount from the borrower who has stopped making the payments by forcing the sale of an asset used as collateral, which in this case is your home. But keep in mind that the lenders do not prefer this option. Power of sale in Ontario is a very complex process and it is lengthy. So they rather go ahead and work with you to make sure they get those payments from you. The lenders are in the business of lending money, not owning properties. Now let's talk about the options before you even get to the point of power of sale. Number one is open communication with your lender. Many of us know that we won't be able to make that payment, right? Either you change your jobs or you got laid off or anything can happen. Life is full of surprises. So when you find yourself in this situation, be proactive. Reach out to your lender before they reach out to you. Let them know what's going on in your life. Fill them in, give them some backstory, and trust me, they will be more than happy to provide you solutions. And those solutions can look like loan modifications, payment plan, and also in some cases, temporary forbearance. And in this case, what happens is that you end up avoiding late penalties and your mortgage will still be in good standing. Number two option is refinance your mortgage. Depending on the equity you have built in your home, you might be able to refinance your mortgage with a new lender and pay off your initial mortgage. Or in some situations, arrange a second mortgage to pay off your first mortgage. Now, a new mortgage can help you lower your monthly payments through a longer amortization period. In addition, you have the option to contact a mortgage broker who might have better solutions and also financial products that your current lender might not have available to them. Number three option is selling your home. Now, you might have the option to sell your home before the power of sale, and whatever money you make from that sale, you can use it to pay your mortgage balance. Now, I know this could be a last resort for many homeowners out there, but trust me, in some situations, it might be the viable option. However, if you are someone who is planning to sell your home to avoid power of sale or to miss any further payments, make sure you do contact your lender and let them know your plan. And trust me, they'll be more than happy to work with you, collaborate with you to find a solution. Now let's talk about some tips that can help you before you end up being in that situation. Number one tip is budget wisely. Make sure your mortgage payments are your number one priority. Number two is set up reminders. Use calendar alerts or automatic payments to avoid forgetting due dates. Number three is build an emergency fund. This can help you pay for your mortgage payments in case of any unexpected expenses show up, because we know life happens. If you are someone who is in this situation, my advice to you is, number one, don't stress. Don't panic and don't be ashamed. You don't even know how many Canadians out there right now are facing financial difficulties, and you are not alone in this situation. And ask for help. Either it be your friends, your family. You'll be more than surprised how many people would just love to support you and help you. If not financial, just emotional. Emotional support is important too in these difficult times. And if you're looking for a mortgage broker, I work with an excellent lady who is great at what she does. She has tons of amazing financial products and solutions available to help you. So please reach out to me and I can connect you with her. She'll be more than happy to help you. All my contact information is in the description. Also a Calendly link where you can simply book a call with me and we can chat more about your situation and how we can help as a team to get you in a good standing if you are in a position where you have missed your mortgage payments. Have yourself a wonderful day. This is Frayal signing out.